What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you what I did with my trading. I'm actually it's day 40, 44, 43. I don't remember my challenge, my day trading challenge. So I'll share with you my screen and we'll get right to it. So, well, as you can see right here, I'm in two hedged positions by now, looking for longs on the Dow Jones and shorting the crude oil. It's pretty much a simple game. So basically now I'm stuck with the with the Dow Jones. All I can do is actually wait for it to go over here, around this zone over here, and just close the trade. I will take this on a stop loss and take this as take profit, and it will actually break even my trade. So what do I do if it comes back down? If the trade comes back down, I will have to close this, look if I can manage for reopen this plus 0.4, or maybe just close this one on a break-even point if it actually starts trembling down. So am I going to lose money by doing this? Yes, of course I am. And but I will not try to accept the big loss I had here when I tried to let it go down. And the big loss would have been something like $30. And if it comes back down here, then I have to close the trade, wait for it, and then just let it go back down and things like that. Well, that's going to actually cost me way less. Okay, so I'm trying to arrange not to lose too much money with the Dow Jones. And so I'm pretty much stuck. So what I have to do is I just have to wait for the Dow Jones to reach this level, which is on average around I have to wait for it to go on a plus 0.63 points over maybe a bunch of days, or just maybe over tonight. I don't know if it does it. If it comes back down here, probably I will have to consider a closing of it. So if it goes back down around the 0.50%, I will start considering closing it, waiting for it to move. And then it goes back up, I will have to re-get in and things like that. So it's pretty simple for me to the Dow Jones. The only thing is that it's going to be pretty boring. So it's boring because my trading is completely blocked. So I cannot trade. I can't do anything. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the Dow Jones. So I'm blocked. I don't have enough margin to take other trades. The only trade I mean now is the other trade, which is crude oil, and that is also going pretty bad. So of course, all traders out there show you the best thing. So I want, if this ever becomes something, I want you guys to actually see, and I want to document my big fails. So the ways I failed completely, and not that bullshit people try to sell you the fucking course or the 1K consulting, which is pretty much bullshit, because basically the only way you can learn trading is by yourself. Like, there's no other people that can actually teach you how to trade. I bought courses myself. I got scammed. Basically, it's a scam. So just don't buy those courses. Just take things for free. Okay. So this is what I actually preach on this channel. It's pretty easy. What am I going to do with crude oil? Is I will try to actually close the crude oil on a break-even point. Since I tried to short the crude oil right here, I thought it was going to bounce over here. It didn't bounce at all. So it actually started going back up. I decided I was not going to actually double down on it right here. And I thought I was actually going to try to close it to break-even point, because I see a break-even point right here. I just think it's going to bounce right here. So I'm actually shorting the crude oil again right here and closing it on a take profit right here, and closing this one if it actually starts to tumble down. Now, this could happen tonight. This could happen maybe in a bunch of days. I don't know. Yeah, this could happen tonight or maybe tomorrow. So probably it's gonna hit this point over here, unless it just falls back down right here. That would be a pretty good gift, wouldn't it? Yeah. So talking about what I will be doing is, if in case the crude oil just starts going really bad, like yeah, it starts like going really bad. Okay, so I just modified this one. Sorry. Well, I will have to actually double, so X2, the long on the crude oil over here, and just wait for the crude oil too. So crude oil will be blocked for me. So that's the way I will be trading. So, oh yeah, but it comes back down. Yeah, if it comes back down, I will close it, then reopen it, see if I can actually manage to get the crude oil to get back down to break even, transforming my losses into break evens. That's the only thing I want to do. I want to transform my losses into break even. That's the only thing I'm looking for. I'm not looking for making buckloads of money. All I'm looking for is trying to basically just not lose too much money. Because the problem with this trading is not that it's not that you're actually going to make money and you want to make big cash and things like that. It's basically trying not to lose all your fucking capital and just not take those big losses and just get stuck into trades. It's fine by me. I believe it's fine because that allows me to take less trades on the overall and just be more patient. Basically, action trains my patience. So what I did is I'm gonna try to spend my days in front of the screens when I'm doing the other job I have, which is my business. So I'm doing the other business, just running my business overall. And also, what I'm actually looking for is basically just setting up alarms. So I thought I was going to buy myself a watch at the start of a 10K challenge, but I decided to buy this one. My friend of mine got this. It's an Amazon watch. I just bought it, so I will have my notifications over here for in case it just starts going up, firing up, or just trembling down. So I will have my notifications over here. Is this gonna keep me the night awake? Yes, probably, but that's just the way trading is, guys. So it's pretty simple. If this was a position I should have held overnight, probably I will be around tonight. I will be setting myself a stop loss over here for this specific trade, and then just buying 2x right here, so I don't have to accept the loss, and that should actually save me. So yeah, but that's just trading works. I mean, you have to stay in front of the screen, otherwise you will be doing some other job. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So this is it, and I will show you the margin levels that actually these trades are taking for me. These trades are actually requiring me for a $300 margin over here. That would be 3K if I 10x this one, and a $700 on the long in on the US. It's almost going to a break-even point, so I will start considering just closing this to a break-even. If it goes up a little bit more, like $30 more, I should start thinking about closing it. And yeah, the margin over here is pretty much blocked. So yeah, this one is $300. The one is $700, and this actually is taking me around. I've got 1.2K free of margin yet to go, so I cannot take any other trades by now. So all I can do is just wait, and I've got 732 margin plus 331. That's 1.1K margin required. This one is not counting, or one of these is not counting, because it actually evens out. When you have a long and a short position, the margin just evens out. That's just pretty much it. So it would happen the same thing if I went long on the crude oil. It would block the margin, and it would not be requiring me any other margin. So I still have 1.2K margins, but I will be keeping them margin free because probably I will have to actually go long on the crude oil if it starts going back up here, and just take the losses. So this is pretty much it, just watching the trade and trying to roll out of my losses. Overall, I was making a profit this morning. Yeah, I should have stopped trading, but it's just the way trading works. I mean, you have to trade, you have to take trades. I was at $2,314. Now it's actually going down, and it's back to 2K, $275 of equity. So we just have to wait for it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a big deal. That's just the way trading works. I'm gonna stop not trading Bitcoin, not trading gold. I took an interesting trade on gold over here, like this morning, that made me over probably $20 or something like that. It was this massive spike over here, just went long over here, just took this one, and it was pretty nice. It was very interesting. And then just I started losing and started having to hedge. So this is it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the way I get hedged. I'm not looking forward selling courses or consultings, because that's just the way trading is. So beware of all those fuckers out there. They're trying to sell you a course. even though they give you free strategies or they do marketing guild systems, they're just going to end up losing their capital. And it's pretty much what they do. I mean, they just show you how to trade. They make money with YouTube ads and with consultants. Yes, I'm going to probably make money with YouTube ads if this project goes on. I will probably make money with affiliates. I don't know if it ever has to happen, but probably I will not be selling any courses because it's not the way trading works. You can buy any course you want, you will not have any profits. It's just you getting the skill because this is fucking gambling. Okay, guys? So it's pretty easy. I mean, it's gambling, yeah, it's investing, you get intuition and all those things, but you get the gist of it. So just don't buy any courses. I got scammed, and I believe this is going to be a pretty interesting journal for people looking for buying courses. It's just scam. Just don't buy any courses. Don't buy anything. Every strategy is not working for you. Every strategy will not work, and every strategy will work. It's just because trading is a zero-sum game. So you just have to know your intuition and then just understand that by watching the markets, you will get the gist of it and just start trading and start getting profitable just because you're following yourself. But overall, there's no strategy. You're just understanding the way the market moves. So it's just the way it is. And so beware of everyone. There's nothing to sell here. This is just pure trading and reality of the facts. So I'll see you in the next. This is day 44 of the challenge. There's still 45 days yet to go, I guess. So we'll see what happens at the end. What happens at the end of the 45 days? It'll be really interesting.